Might as well record it.
Thanks, Papa Joe.
Yeah.
Self-tapping wood screw.
Self-tapping wood screw. Well, at least you had a mirror on there.
I guess.
You didn't. It wasn't one of these on the other side, was it?
Mm-hmm.
Was it? There's one on the mirror?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, about gone. I can get these off without it, but I can't get
The new one on, yeah.
Yeah. Chevrolet bad.
Yeah.
Only takes a couple tools. 10 millimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Deep and shallow. An extension. And a 9/32. Phillips for your one screw there.
Yeah.
And then your pry bar to open your door panel and to take that off.
Yeah.
This has got a little clip behind it. It's really a pain to even see. Let's just get off.
Mm-hmm. Your door handle.
Yeah, well, window roller.
Window roller, yeah. There it is.
There's a little goofy clip.
Yeah. It just need to be pulled out.
Yep, and then when you're putting it back in, you just set it right there on both sides.
And just push on.
Just push it on.
Yeah.
That way it's ready to go. You push it in, click it.
Yeah.
One Phillips screw. That just hooks in the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Right in here's two little screws. One's here, one's here. Why I don't have a drill, I have no idea.
I hardly ever use a drill for stuff like that. Give your hand a workout.
Yeah. Best guess is to find with a stopping point and open right there.
Mm-hmm. You got one of those little clips that pop in.
Yep. Find them with this.
Yeah, and then pop.
That way you got a least likely chance of breaking a 22-year-old plastic piece.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need to remove the, you can see this over there. No need to remove that, it's just a stop.
Oh, yeah.
Figured that out the hard way. There's one right here that you can't see. Pull the bottom of the panel out, just pop straight up. There you go. Little goofy looking things in there.
Mm-hmm.
As if this thing needs noise canceling. Spinning.
Yeah, it's spinning here. Let's see. All right, go. Don't need that, do we? when you
depending on what aftermarket mirror you get, like I did, goofed up and bought some with no nuts.
Oh yeah.
Plan a trip to the hardware store at some point.
How'd you get that other one home?
And luckily,
Had nut.
this pinball man here has an exuberant amount of nuts.
So we found a few
Yeah.
that would fit.
I can't believe that took that long.
Alright. Alright. Here's our new mirror. It's got 3 studs on the back. Goes in them 3 holes right there. There we go. On the inside.
There you go.
There we go.
Now maybe the inspection place quit giving you a hard time. Don't over tighten it, but get them pretty snug.
Mm-hmm.
Over tighten it, you'll just continue with the problem you had before.
Yeah. I found the antenna that's in the front.
Somebody take it off?
It fell off the other day when it
Broke
took
off?
off.
That's funny.
All right.
I'm gonna follow it out.
New mirror. All right. Now then, just go back reverse, right?
Yeah, if you want to. Probably the easiest way to do it. Make sure you ain't got any broke ones. If you do, like that one.
Yeah.
Go to the hardware store, get some GM trees. But I can replace that one pretty easily.
Go down,
In and down.
in and down. There it is.
There you go.
Then all you do is just pop them in, right?
That's it. Pretty much. There you go. You're in there.
There you go.
And then put that back on wherever it want to ride.
Just mash that clip back up in it.
Easier said than done.
Yeah. I almost need a screwdriver. A crooked screwdriver.
Actually, if you go ahead and get it in there, and it's tapered.
Yeah. Just pop it on.
There it is.
That's what I thought.
Probably should have moved it away from my knee.
Doesn't matter.
Viewers were wondering.
Put the 2 screws back in, and or 3 screws. That's what it is.
Without power tools.
Power tools. Who needs a power tool?
Huh?
Who needs a power tool?
Well, the people that do this for a living. show this to Papa Joe. Tell him it really didn't take long.
Yeah.
To do this the right way. Cost about $15 a year.
Most of the time, doing it the right way is the cheapest way to go. All right.
Jerry rigging avoided.
That, my friends, is how you put on a mirror on a 90, what is this, 98, a Isuzu?
Yep. Hombre, S10.
S10, Hombre, all of them is about the same, ain't it? There we go. I wonder.
Except the Genius and the other one
Yeah.
put a cap right here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You don't have to remove
Where
it.
you could
So
pop it
need a
loose.
door handle.
Yeah. All right. I guess that's it for now.